to continue looking at angle measures here. So in this video, we're going to talk about an angle that is in what we call a standard position. So that's this definition we're going to get here. An angle is in standard position when its initial side is the x-axis and its terminal side is the measure of the angle. Okay, so I've given you a picture down here to kind of show you what that looks like. So we've got standard position looks like this. So its initial side is the x-axis here. And you can see it's drawn here that this angle is going here to this side. Okay, we're going all the way around to this side. So we call this side our terminal side. Now, you'll notice here that when we go like this, we're going counterclockwise, okay? Counterclockwise. Now, I've given you another diagram here just to illustrate what this looks like. When you go counterclockwise, then you're going to get a positive angle measurement. So this one, like from here to here, that is a positive 120 degrees. And that's what that says there. I just wrote it a little bit bigger so you could see it on this video. And then if we go clockwise, okay, so if we go clockwise this way, so that means I'm going this way. Now again, this is my initial side and this is my terminal side. When you go clockwise, what you create is a negative 120 degree angle. So if you go clockwise, you create a negative degree, and if you go counterclockwise, you create that positive degree, okay? So let's go down here and see if we can sketch some of these angles. What is a sketch of each angle in standard position? Now, 36 degrees, and we are not doing this completely accurate. We're just kind of eyeballing it and seeing what it would roughly look like. So you know that right here, this is a 90 degree angle. So I need 36 degrees. Remember that counterclockwise is positive, so I am going this way. So if I want 36 degrees, all the way up here is 90. Halfway would be 46. So 36 is almost halfway, but not quite. So that means I'm going to have an angle that looks something like this, 36 degrees. Okay, roughly something like that. Okay, 315 degrees. Let's think about that. This is 90. Over here is to 180. Down to here is 270. And then from 270, I need to get 45 more degrees to get up to 315. Well, half of 90 is 45, so that means I'm going halfway here, and that creates an angle that comes around to here that's 315 degrees. Okay? Now, when you draw these, the fact that we draw these arrows in, and I actually didn't do that there, the fact that we draw these arrows in and show which way this is going is actually the way that this is going to be going. Then if we look at number 3, the negative 150 degrees. So this time we're going clockwise. We need to go this way. So if we go this way, remember this is 90, and then to get up to 150, I'm not quite going to the 180. I'm going to be 30 degrees away from that. So I'm going to be roughly somewhere right in here. And this one is going to go around and look like this. And remember, we're going negative, so we're going clockwise. So this is going to be negative 150 degrees. Okay, if we look at 85 degrees, if we're going for 85 degrees, remember that this first quadrant here takes you to 90 degrees. So we're not quite going all the way up to 90. So we're going up to 85 degrees here. So this is going to be 85 degrees. Okay, we've got a couple more here. If we look at negative 320, remember if we go all the way around, and this is negative, so that means I'm going to be going clockwise. I'm going to be going this way. If I go all the way around, it's 360. So I'm not going quite all the way around. So we're going roughly to about right here. So we're going this way, all the way around, and that gives us negative 320 degrees that way. Okay, if you'd like to pause the video and try this last one and then come back and I'll work it. Okay, hopefully you've worked this one. And we've got 90 And then from 90, we need 30 more degrees, so not quite halfway. We need 30 more degrees here. And this one is positive, so we're going roughly about right here, and this would be our 120 degrees. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, let me know.